In the barcode parameters section, you will be asked to set the expected barcode format, the expected minimum and maximum length, as well as the opportunity to use a lookup file or a lookup database table, in order to allow value verification, or automatic correction. It's also possible to set multiple barcode formats, as well as the possibility to recognize barcodes positioned vertically or upside down. This is very useful when the barcode to recognize has been printed on a sticker, and has been pasted on the document. Use the laser step and size parameters to optimize barcode recognition, according to its expected size and to image resolution. Remember that smaller sized barcodes recognition requires lower step and size values.